Would you like a cup of tea? Tea is not really my cup of tea. I prefer coffee. Hello, this is Harry from Learn English with British Harry. How are you today? I hope you're well. And today we're going to look at idioms. What is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words that mean something different together than they do separately. Idioms are so important when you're learning to speak English and you want to improve your fluency. This is because they add more color, they give a different way to explain something in English. Today I'm going to teach you 8 food idioms that you must know. Make sure that you watch the lesson the whole way through, because at the end of the lesson I have a fun quiz to test your understanding. Icing on the cake means something that makes a good situation even better. Hi, how's the game going? Shh, I'm playing. I won the game, but the icing on the cake was getting the perfect score. I won the game, but the icing on the cake was getting the perfect score. I won the game, but the icing on the cake was getting the perfect score. He won the game, so he was very happy. But what made it even better was getting the perfect score. So it was not essential that he got the perfect score, but it added that something extra on top. And here's another example. How was your holiday? It was amazing. The icing on the cake was seeing a shooting star. So when you have a cake and it's already delicious, but then you have the icing on the top, which makes it taste even sweeter. The icing on the cake was seeing a shooting star. So he had a really fantastic holiday, but what made it even better was seeing the shooting star. So that is the icing on the cake. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. This means to reveal some secret information. This surprise birthday party is going to be fantastic. Let's hide before he comes in. I accidentally spilt the beans and let him know. He accidentally revealed the secret surprise. Here's another example. I can't wait to watch the movie The Sixth Sense. Is that the one where at the end... Why did you tell me the ending? Sorry, I didn't mean to spill the beans. It just came out. It's a good ending though. Sorry, I didn't mean to spill the beans. It just came out. Maybe his friend was so excited to reveal the information, to reveal the ending, because he enjoyed it so much. He accidentally revealed the ending of the movie. So that was to spill the beans. To egg someone on. This means to encourage someone to do something that they often shouldn't do. You should try this spicy food. It's delicious. I don't really like food that's too spicy. Do it, do it, do it. I'm sorry for egging you on. I'm sorry for egging you on. His friend really wanted him to try the spicy food, but he knew it would be too spicy for his friend, but he was egging him on. He was encouraging him to try this spicy food. You should jump. Aren't there crocodiles in there? Jump, jump, jump. I'm sorry I egged you on. I'm sorry I egged you on. So his friend was apologizing. He was egging him on to jump into the river or the lake. Maybe he knew there were crocodiles. So this is something that he shouldn't have done, but the other person should have realized, hey, I'm being egged on here. You know what? I'm not going to jump into this lake. Cheap as chips. This means the price is low and that it is cheap. I like your t-shirt. Thanks. It was cheap as chips. It was only £2. Thanks. It was cheap as chips. It was only £2. So here his t-shirt was very cheap considering the other price of other t-shirts. Here's another example. Do you like my hat? I bought it on sale for £1. It was cheap as chips. I bought it on sale for £1. It was cheap as chips. The price of the hat was very low. It was very cheap, considering the original price or relative to the cost of other hats. Not my cup of tea. This means something that you don't enjoy. Do you like playing the piano? That's not my cup of tea, but I like breakdancing. That's not my cup of tea. So he didn't like to play the piano, but he liked breakdancing. So his preference is not to play the piano. Are you a morning person or a night person? I'm a morning person. Staying up late is not my cup of tea. I'm a morning person. Staying up late is not my cup of tea. So he likes to wake up nice and early and he doesn't like to sleep very late. So so he does not enjoy going to sleep late. This is his personal preference. Cry over spilt milk. So usually you put the word don't before. So don't cry over spilt milk. This means to not get upset or sad about something that has happened and that you cannot change. So you're better off moving forward, looking to the future and forgetting about the thing that's happened because you cannot change it. I need to catch the bus. I missed the bus. Don't cry over spilt milk. So he's missed the bus. There's nothing he can do about it. The bus driver won't stop and wait for him. So he should just relax. There will be another bus in 10 minutes. If he's late for work, he can give work a call and let them know that I'm very sorry, I missed the bus and I'm running a bit late. Butter someone up. This means to be extra nice to someone, usually for selfish reasons. Your tie looks so nice. Thanks, my tie does look quite nice. You look like you've lost weight. Have you been going to the gym? I have been going to the gym. Why is he being so nice? He never usually gives me compliments. Is he looking for a raise? Can I have a raise? Is he buttering me up to get a raise? So here he is suspicious that the other person is being extra nice to him when he usually isn't. It's out of character. So why is he being extra nice? It's to get a raise, to get more money. Here's another example. If you vote for me, I will give everyone free ice cream and free pizza. He is just trying to butter us up so that we vote for him. He is just trying to butter us up. So he's being extra nice. He's giving promises of free ice cream and free pizza. So he's being extra nice and people know, hey, you're being extra nice. It's impossible to give everyone free pizza. So there's something a bit suspicious here. He wants to get our vote by making us like him even more. Bread and butter, this means the main source of income, the main way the person makes his money. What do you do for work? I play in a band, but teaching is my bread and butter. I play in a band, but teaching is my bread and butter. So he may receive money from playing in a band, but the main source of income, the primary way he makes money is through teaching. I like photography, but graphic design is my bread and butter. Are you ready for the quiz? Let's do it. William gave his dad compliments about what a good driver his dad is. His dad thinks William is A, trying to butter him up, B, putting the icing on the cake, C, telling him his car is cheap as chips. And the answer is A. His dad thinks William is trying to butter him up. He is giving him compliments so that he will hopefully get to borrow his car. Well done, good job. Question 2. Catherine was organizing a surprise getaway for her friend's birthday, but Lucy A, egged her on, B, spilt the beans, C, cried over spilt milk. And the answer is B. Lucy spilled the beans about the surprise birthday party. Well done. Question 3. James really wanted to buy a smart watch. He saw the perfect one on sale that was A, not his cup of tea, B, bread and butter, C, cheap as chips. And the answer is C. Well done. He thought the watch was cheap as chips because it was on sale. Well done. Excellent job. Thank you so much for watching. Please write down in the comments what you thought about the video. If you liked this lesson, please click on the like button. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.